Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Vauxhall Insignia. So this is a 2 litre CDTI EcoFlex SRI nav sports tourer. So this is a 170 bhp version, which is the biggest one that they do. So it's presented in Cosmic Grey, and that was a factory extra. It's got cloth interior, it's got 110,000 miles, and it's backed up by a service history. Just been serviced in our in-house workshop. All the spec details and everything will be on the advert. The video is just really to show you a walk around description of it. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. This is so you don't have a wasted trip or set off for a car that's already been sold. And you know that if you make an appointment, you get here and the car will be available for you. So if you'd like to make an appointment or if you've got any questions, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks very much for watching.